There's sweater underneath the table, so I'm not going to duck down and change. This is really a pleasure for me, and one of the things that I started to think about as to what message would be the best message today is really kind of a conversation with you about town-gown relations. I want to first off, and I think probably as effective as anything, is really thanking the city of Clemson, and I spoke to Mayor Cook last night, and as Pete had mentioned, Mayor Abernathy. The city of Clemson is really an example to take home to your communities of what a community can do to form a better town-gown relationship. And when former Mayor Abernathy, you kind of look at the core of what people does in terms of town-gown relations, and he was quoted as saying that he wanted to make from the landscaping in the city and the university, he wanted to make it invisible where the city ended and Clemson University began. And I think that says a lot about an individual that would really feel this is what makes it work. And then when we look at Clemson University, and this is my first visit to Clemson, South Carolina, and to Clemson University, and just in that short drive around town and looking at what is here, it makes me feel like I wish I would have known this earlier in life. What a beautiful place to come, as we all come from a lot of nice places, but as you drive around you sense that it is something special in Clemson. And I would recognize that the new president of Clemson University, Jim Clements, formerly was the president of West Virginia University, my alma mater, prior to coming to Clemson. And I say this as a mountaineer and someone who really loves West Virginia, but driving around Clemson, I see why Jim Clements saw something here that really he wanted to invest his life and efforts in. And that is really the topic, and I use this in a lot of what I do, but from great to amazing. And as it started years ago, when you'd ask city officials, how's their town doing, virtually every city official in America tells you, oh, we're doing great. And I'd always say, you know, because you can read the papers, now you can Google folks and find out what challenges people has. But when you look at that, you say, everybody's doing great, but I truly think that we can take it from great to amazing. And if there's folks in this room, and I've spoke to a couple, young lady from Bowling Green, and I had breakfast this morning with Bob Hall from Northern Virginia Community College, we recognize that a lot of great things are happening across the country. But we start to wonder, can it be better? And I'd like to kind of lay out some ideas for you today that I think will be of value in moving things along.